This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Step 3. Optimization. After you set up your feed and start sending traffic, the most important question appears: how can I reach maximum profit? There are a few simple things you can do that will boost your CPM. You just need to pay attention to the right things. What you need to remember is that the CPM and fill rate you can expect depends on how much traffic Zeropark's advertisers are willing to pay. Therefore, your main goal should be to provide the best quality possible traffic and stability of your traffic, and let the advertiser know that your traffic is worth bidding up. So first, you need to make sure that you understand that reputation is key. You should be sending the domains correctly. Blind traffic or targets with weird looking domains are considered less trustworthy. Second, clean your traffic. Make sure you're sending high quality traffic. Rebrokered traffic will never get a high fill rate, and if Zeropark finds spots among your traffic, they will block your sources and request a chargeback. Keep an eye on what your publishers are sending and send their publisher ID in the request that you can. If one of your publishers sends shady traffic, then Zeropark will help you find them and remove the harmful source, so the whole feed performs better. Keep it slow and steady. Avoid sudden and random spikes at all costs. When the volume of your traffic grows or decreases rapidly, it means advertisers' campaigns are vulnerable. They can run out of budget very quickly or lose out on the traffic they were hoping to get. Even if you can't be in complete control, try to give Zeropark a heads up. One drop or spike is unforgivable. But when the unpredictability of your source becomes standard, you're not going to gain any trusted advertisers at all. And fourth, you have segmentation. To keep the high quality standard of traffic, you're going to need to control it and be able to measure the results. And segmentation is how you can achieve that. You're going to want to separate mobile and desktop traffic, keep different types of traffic on different ad tags, and always track what is converting best and stick to that. Pay attention to different geos and operating systems. See where the cost per 1,000 impressions are the highest, and once you start noticing patterns, you will know what to push. Fifth, be careful with changes. Although no ad tag is set once till the end of the times, the changes are a natural part of business, so you need to make sure you don't change important things suddenly and often. If you decide to send traffic to a different endpoint, advertisers that were targeting your old ad in their whitelist campaigns will not be able to find it. If you change domain ID in your request, the same thing will happen to sub-IDs, so be careful. And in a perfect world of setting up the ad tag and simply letting the traffic flow would result in high payouts. Unfortunately, this process is more complicated and requires your time and attention. But give it a bit of effort and love, and you'll definitely see the results.